Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer, and somebody's just asked about cleaning suede and cleaning Nubuck and restoring the colour into them. The best thing we find for the suede and the Nubuck is to brush them with a nylon brush like this. You can get right into the edge of the welt. Give them a good brush on the suede or on the Nubuck. The wire, the brass metal ones seem to cut up the surface a little bit, so you can give them a good brush to get all the dust and the muck out of them. That does help them such a lot. These brushes, cheap as chips from our pound shop. Then you have a suede and fabric cleaner, which cleans all colours, very easy to use. You can get this online. And then you have Renovator. The Renovator, this is actually navy blue, but they do all sorts of colours on this Renovator for suede and Nubuck, and this revives the colour. So if it is a little bit patchy, this will help. But the results, wow, sometimes are great, sometimes they're a bit iffy. A little bit hit and miss, I'm afraid.